again. We're about to cook the chicken.
Look.
This is all-purpose flour and
this one?
And this is egg.
And this?
And this is breadcrumbs. So we're going to be dipping them, but first you have to start with all-purpose flour, then eggs, then breadcrumbs. So we'll take one. Then put it here. You make sure the
and the egg. Mommy, put
no,
egg.
wait, put here first. Then you dip it in egg. Then you dip it in breadcrumbs. Then you put it on the plate. Take another one. Do the same thing. Then Then you do the same thing. Put it on a plate. Take another one. You can add if it's not enough. My bro here is helping me. Make sure it covers all spots.
Okay.
You can put your oil ready. And don't put a lot of heat or a little heat, just medium heat. And see how they look, like that. Then now you put, I already put mine to heat up. Then I'm ready to deep fry them. You can also check if the oil is enough, or if the oil is enough And also, if you check, you can also check if the oil is hot or not. So yeah, you can do that, and you can check if it's hot with a wooden cooking stick. And I'm done putting the fire in there. So this is a very nice snack to eat. Okay. My girl put another one here. So this is how they will look like. Make sure they turn golden brown. Then now make sure they are turning golden brown like this. They look so delicious. If they turn golden brown like this, you have a container the way I have, our potatoes are in the oven. As you can see, they're in the oven getting baked so that you can eat them, and they look so delicious. You can also put spices on the potatoes, and you can make chips on wedges. So that's how you make chicken strips. Chicken strips and chips.
Yeah.
So you are gonna enjoy it, and also you
You're
can
going to
eat it
eat.
with your family.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.